Macro and macro factors are increasingly critical for global financial markets, yet investors have little visibility. The key question is, how do macro factors impact asset prices? Quant Insight brings a new level of multi-asset macro analytics, basket construction, and risk tool solutions to investment, risk, research, and quant teams. Understand the importance of macro factors such as trade wars, hard economic landing fears in China, the deflationary spiral or return of inflation, potential Fed policy errors, energy prices, US dollar FX. Investors can quantify macro risks and opportunities by stripping out the independent impact of each factor, highlighting the problem of multicollinearity, that traditional correlation is not fit for purpose. Access a wide range of securities across equities, equity sectors and indices, both outright and relative value, foreign exchange, interest rates, commodities, ETFs, and ESG investments. Discover the macro-warranted fair value, the fair value gap, the deviation between spot price and model price, the strength of any macro regime, and the key macro drivers of any given asset or portfolio. QI converts big data via a rigorous scientific process into actionable signals, available through our web platform or API. Gain insight with our large-scale data handling, high-speed calculation, and features including model customization. Discretionary investors can utilize the QI platform as a macro overlay to their existing investment process. Spot top trade opportunities. Analyze and decompose an asset or portfolio into its macro characteristics and evaluate key drivers. Identify the optimal trade expression and solve the age-old problem of right idea, wrong trade. Risk managers can empirically observe the macro exposures and vulnerabilities they face with our unique factor sensitivity analysis. Or run macro-specific stress tests. Quantify how your fund would be impacted by wider credit spreads, for example, or alternatively a hard landing scenario in China. Construct equity baskets with our outer sample methodology and unique IP, providing superior tracking and a more efficient way to track key themes. Highly flexible, with multiple constraints, and the ability to track variables previously deemed untradeable. Quant teams can easily integrate our data via our API, and systematic funds can extract our macro fair value gap analytics as a potential trade-off signal. Quant Insight, less big data, more actionable signals. More science, less opinion.